So here we are, back at this one. Looks like the spare I put on yesterday is it's getting or it is flat. It feels pretty solid. Oh, actually, maybe not. Let's open her up. Christ. Good. Other spare. Some jack stands. Let's pop this. Is it a 10? Yes, sir. Come on. Oh, so crusty. Let's get the new battery in. Oh. Somehow not as heavy. Oh, wrong way. Wait, is this even a 35? Why did I think about that? It's not. This is a 25. Well, fuck it, you know, it doesn't hurt to try. Damn, I'm really gonna have to carry this thing back. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, that's actually the wrong way. Okay. Positive. Christ, come on. Cables. Are you serious? Trying to, come on. Negative. Let's flip this thing back. Tighten those. That should be good enough. Let's see what happens. Totally the wrong battery. Okay. I'm gonna have to carefully get the keys in. Where's this stupid ass key? Ugh. I'm gonna sit here. Okay. So let's put the key in. Okay, yeah, actually that doesn't even work. Not even lights. Maybe that battery is dead too. Well, talk about a waste of time. It's fucking weird ass button you gotta push over here, get the key out. Alright, yeah. Fun stuff. Yeah.